Mr. Chaudhry, this was the first time I've hosted an event for the Plumber family, and I really enjoyed it, and it was wonderful to see, first up, from where you came from. The last 30 years have been wonderful years, and you've grown from strength to strength over these years.
Yeah, it has been a very, very long journey, and we in fact started from scratch, from ground level, from level 0, you can say.
From level 0, and here we are 30 years on, and it's nice to see, I host a lot of events, and there was a certain kind of different energy I saw in the room, because all your partners, you like to call them family members, they feel very connected with you and your brand.
Yeah, it has been a long journey with them, and in fact we all have grown together. So we treat them as a family only, and we don't think they are our dealers. They are our family, they are our strength, and we call them our pillars.
Yes, one can see that, with happy people comes a happy unit, and you really treat them like family members. In that video also I saw there's some people who've lost their main breadwinners in their family, and you supported them, and I think that says a lot about your company and what all you stand for.
Yeah, we supported them because we felt that in times of need, if we treat them as a family, then we should support them. And we really supported them very, very well, especially our Lucknow distributor, because the day our main distributor died, Mr. Anil. So we started getting calls from the market very next day that if you want to change the distributor, we are there. And people were very apprehensive that now the distributor is going to be changed, and this may come to us because it is a successful brand. So there were a lot of offers, but we stood with them, we stood with the family, and we thought that we will stand with them, gave them enough material on priority. Lucknow was on one side and whole India was on one side. So every time any order came from Lucknow, it was supplied on top priority. Payment, no payment, nothing mattered.
Well, that says a lot about the kind of people you are, the kind of family you are. But today was a very special day. It was on new beginnings, new starts. There was the launch of the bathware category, which is something, it's like a big leap you're taking. And you want to say something about that, your thoughts on that, how you're feeling about that?
I'm feeling very good, because that we have taken a giant leap, and that changed our orbit also. So we are going to be in the top league now with all the items, with sanitaryware, faucets, and the best thing is all is good quality.
All is excellent quality, and what I really enjoyed actually about today's show, I must tell you this. When I stand on stage and I speak to an audience, and sometimes you just have to, you have to get energy out of them. Your audience, all your partners, they felt like family members, they felt that connection, and I think the applause, the energy, the excitement, when that bathware video played out, the applause was genuine. The excitement was genuine. They were like, this is something new that's come into the fold, and they felt, you could see the connection they have with you. And I think you don't see that very often in a corporate structure. You see corporates do things for dealers and their partners very often, but you can feel the connection with your partners here.
Yeah, of course, we have felt that. And sanitaryware, I'll tell you that we were not in the race to launch sanitaryware. We were forced to launch by our dealers, our channel partners, and in fact we are not manufacturing it, we are outsourcing, but people are very happy, and they had told us, whether you manufacture, bring from outside, bring from India,
we want it from your brand.
We want from Plumber.
That is wonderful. Thank you for talking to me, and thank you for having me on the show. And here's me wishing you all the very best to Plumber. May you continue to grow from strength to strength, and may you meet all your visions and make all your dreams come true. And I hope you fulfill that mission that you're setting out for.
Yeah, sure, we will do that, definitely. I hope you enjoyed the evening and you enjoyed meeting the family, our big family.
I did indeed. You have a big family, but a very beautiful family. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.